Sarvesh Kumar Dubey and Samta Rao are the advocates who intervened on behalf of Sanskriti Ranjan, the student who was helped by the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court. Mr. Dubey, I want to start by asking you, what were the circumstances of the case? Did the girl land up on her own? What happened in there?
The girl has filed a case on her own, and as soon as the case was taken up, the court has asked that whether any of the lawyers wants to do the matter voluntarily. So we appeared. I and along with me, my friend also appeared. So we have given a proper assistance to the court, and the court has asked that you people should come after lunch.
Okay.
So we appeared after lunch, and we have assisted the court, and we make a IIT BHU as a necessary party.
Okay.
And on the basis of some judgment, recently one judgment has been passed in the case of Prince Javeer Singh by the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yeah.
And on the basis of that particular judgment, the court has passed an order that yes, now we are exercising the power under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, and seeing the bright career and future of the girl, as she scored very good marks in 10th and 12th, and she was having a very good rank in the JEE main advance also. The court has said that now the court will deposit a fee, admission fees undoubtedly of that girl, and that admission fees has been given by the Honorable Court itself.
Yeah. When you say the court, sir, is it the court? Is there a corpus, or is it the judge himself?
Is it a judge himself Honorable Judge himself who deposited the fees on his own?
Okay.
And now we have also requested to the court that if it is required, then the bar, we the lawyers are also ready to deposit the fees. And from yesterday onwards, when the judgment was uploaded, it was on the social media, and it was in the news of among the lawyers. So number of lawyers has also wants to contribute the fees, and now we are in a position, we have collected the amount, we are in a position to deposit her entire fees along with the fees of the hostel and mess charges. We think it's for equality in the society. It's very required that the girls who is required to get the admission in such a prestigious institution. So the lawyers and judges should come forward for that.
Samtaji, I want to ask you, what is the background of the girl? Is she from a very poor background? Why is it that she could not arrange the 15,000 rupees that she needed for her initial admission into BHU?
Actually, the girl's father is on a kidney dialysis. So the problem came when his father got into this medical treatment, and the same time her admission process also started. So at that time she was having the financial crisis, but at the same time she was not able to submit her fees on the due date. So the admission process was closed. So she knocked the door of the Honorable Court to give her some time to submit her fees. So we are very much humble to the Honorable Court that he himself took this step and submitted her fees by his own account.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
So we are very grateful of the Honorable Lordship.
Thank you so much. So there you have it. The advocates also telling us one more very heartwarming thing, so to say, that they've all got together and collected the entire fees for Sanskriti Ranjan, and they're willing to help her get through the entire course. One does wish, of course, that there are other ways in which the poor and the underprivileged students can get admitted to these courses, but a very noble initiative by the court and also by these advocates and their colleagues. Yes, and with camera person Vineet Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.